Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be changing my bike's tire. So yeah, stay tuned to see which tire it is, and definitely it's gonna be informative.
So this is METZELERS tire, what we actually get from the company itself for all the RC 390 and Duke 390. So you can see the condition of the tire right now. This is Sportex MS 150 by 60 METZELERS. So this is the condition of the tire. I've clocked about 19,000 kilometers. It's 18,186 kilometers. So for so many kilometers, so this is the condition of the tire after no doubt that this tire is phenomenal for the amount of grip it actually provides, but the major drawback what I've faced is frequent puncture of the tire, because it's extremely soft and it's actually mainly track oriented, and we tend to ride in city conditions. So that is the major problem what I've faced. The reason being it's extremely soft. So that has made me opt for Apollo H1. So I would actually show you further about it and also give you more details about it over METZELERS.
That's good.
ಇದು H1 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಂ.
So just reached home. Let me go inside and explain you why did I opt for Apollo H1 over Mercedes. So yeah, see you. Let's talk about METZELERS first. So divide the tire into 5 segments. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 3 being at center, 1 and 5 being two extreme ends. So the center portion and the two extreme ends take the maximum tension. So we have a metallic strip revolving around these segments to take the extra tension, because as we know the tire are good at taking tension stress. So just to enhance the capacity of taking the tension stress, these metallic strips are actually provided. So the problem with some METZELERS are the tire, the rubber are extremely soft throughout the tire. So that was the reason that the center part of the tire worn out very soon. As you can see in the picture, the sides, the 1 and 5 segments still has some juice in it, but the center segment is completely gone, because the obvious reason that we won't be leaning every time excessively. Uh, so that made me to opt for Apollo H1. So it also has the same characteristic properties like Metzelers, but what made it uh, me go over Metzelers was the center portion is a bit thicker. It has more depth, and the rubber reused is more stronger at center, and it's equivalent. So that would help the tire to take more centrifugal force. So, but definitely by leaning, I can feel little traction being offered. So let's see. I've just changed the tire. Overall experience I may actually give you later in my videos. Hi, about the costing of the tire. So Metzelers costed me 6,800 rupees, whereas Apollo H1 costed me 5,750. So, and also the main reason, one of the main reason why I've gone for Apollo is it's made in India product. So yeah, just supporting vocal for local wherever it's possible. And but yeah, honestly, from the first impression, I feel that I have made my hard-earned money invest in a better product, in a right product, if not better, but on the other. And also the thing is, it's a radial tire with 160 width, so uh, it's recommended to use for 600cc bikes also, because it's capable of doing it's W rated, so it's capable of doing about 270 km/h top speed from those tires. So it's really great work from Apollo.